Good morning, friends. Hope you are all fine. Now, I told you yesterday, that I will compare between FPTP, first past the post, and PR system, that is proportional representative. We are doing election and representation, right? And election representation and elections in India. So there could be a question between comparison. Then FPTP, that is first post the past and proportional system. Now, the country is divided in FPTP. The country is divided into small geographical units called constituencies or districts. This is adopted in Indian Constitution. This PR system is adopted in New Zealand and Israel. Okay. At the end of the fag end of this part, I will let you know. The country is divided. Country को पूरी country को divide कर दिया जाता है किसमें geographical units में, small geographical units में, जिन्हें हम constituencies कहते हैं, right? PR system में in large geographical areas are demarcated as constituencies. The entire country may be a single constituency. Now, first point, in FPTP, the whole country is divided in many constituencies, more than 545 constituencies are there in India, right? And there are many, it means there are more than 500 constituencies. And in PR system, the whole country is under the one constituency, right? Now here, point number 2, first part. Every constituency elects one representative. In FPTP, every constituency elects one representative, right? But in PR system, where Israel and Netherlands and other in the Netherlands are there, more than one representative may be elected from one constituency. Voter votes for the party. Now, very particular sentence, voters vote for the party. But here in PR system in India, voters vote for the candidate. Here BJP, for example, BJP is very important, but sometimes it is said that Modi is more important than BJP. The people knows, many people, they don't know about BJP. If you go to Ladakh, if you go to northeastern part, and if you go to other part of India, दूर दराज के पास चले जाइए, far away places, nobody knows what is the meaning of BJP, but they know who is Mr. Modi, what type of personality is he, who is Mr. Rajnath Singh, right? Who is our home minister. So they knew him. So voters here in India, voters votes for a candidate, but in PR system, voters votes for the party. Their party is very important. Here, candidate is very important. Now, next is, a party may get more seats than votes in the legislature. A party may get more seats than votes in the legislature. Vote से ज़्यादा भी party को seat मिल सकती है. But in PR system, every party gets seats in the legislature in proportion. जितने भी seat मिले सब इन्हें बांट दिया जाता है, proportionally बांट दिया जाता है, and the percentage of votes that it gets. How much percentage of votes it gets, then that particular seats have been divided. In FPTP, candidates who wins the election may not get majority. Opposition party, for example, in here also in 2019 also, Congress Party in many parts, Congress Party won the seat and they defeated BJP. But that doesn't mean they got the majority. Right? Candidates who wins the election gets a majority gets majority of votes. So examples in India. This is what example of FPTP. Example is UK and India. UK, United Kingdom, Britain. We followed basically. They ruled us. They colonized us more than 200 years. So we basically, many rules and regulations still are the British era. So we are following them. But their example is, PR system example is Israel and Netherlands. Israel and Netherlands is their PR system. So it is very important, could be a question, compare between FPTP and PR system. Main differences is there. In India, people and personality is very important. Very important. Party is also important. Which party they belongs to. They can leave the party. Many people, they leave the party, they join another party. But in PR system, party is very important, not the people. So this was the one part. Tomorrow, I will define you, I will let you know why did India adopt a FPTP system. What FPTP system? It means first past the post system. First past the post system. Many times I am telling you. First past the post system. Why accepted? Because in India, I'm giving a little bit introduction what we will do tomorrow. That India, this system is very easy system. That's why we adopted it. Very easy to understand. So tomorrow we will discuss on it. Till then, take care and have a nice time. Thank you.